Hello, ladies and gentlemen. So, today we'll be speaking about UX UI design and why I choose UX UI design for help me achieve my goals to be a pilot. So, we'll be wasting your time. Just let's decision. What is this actually UX UI design? I will break it for UX, it's how user experience, and for UI, it's user interface. For better understanding, we will be focused only in UX today. And for good understand and how it's work, I just with you together today will be create this is UX mobile app. So it will be how my portfolio. Let's go decision. One, you need to understand how UX actually creating. You can look, we have here 5 modules. It's empathy, generate ideas, scratch, ideas, wireframe and prototype, hi-fi, testing, and actually after it will be a UI, but today we focus on UX, so only this one. Let's start looking. The first one we have empathy. So what actual empathy mean? I will be just drink this is beautiful medicine because I'm actually sick in the summer. Sorry for this. Okay, so we need to understand a user problem. This actually is the main goal in UX design. You need to understand a user problem. And so we have a client and he say, I need a mobile app for hiking and trekking, my process for sharing these people and save my achievements. How designer, I understand the main goal for me, it will be creating a mobile app and Tam will be hiking, and I have 2 sub goals for my clients. It's a tracking progress and sharing page plus place for achievements. Okay, after this I keep going for second module, generate idea and scratch. So let's say break how this actually will be look. When you will be scratch and generate idea, it will be just will be taking some paper, just will be take a pen and will be write. Like I break this for 3 sub goals, and first one is just a scratch and a fight idea. I will be write how this is up will be look, just something detailed, etc, etc. The second goals for this scratching, it's add detail and upgrade my paper wireframe. And then goal number 3, it's refine to wireframe. Paper wireframe, and you will be just send this for digital wireframe. You need just upgrade your project to don't mistake in a digital wireframe. So I write this like a 10 upgrade what I need to do in a digital wireframe. How you can look is add a filter for page 3, title page for 4, just tracking hike name for page number 10. And we know a user problem, we have a something idea and what we actually need to do next. How we know? The third model in UX, it's ideate, and ideate actually mean. Alright, so you need find the inspiration. How actually you can find this is inspiration? Like it's very interesting part because you can check work in other people, look a video tutorial in YouTube or Instagram, TikTok, etc, etc. Check a different online platform for finding a new solution for UX design. Just what I can recommend, it's about Behance, it's actually where I sit, and Dribble, just for my mind. Link it will be good too. Okay, and take a note. For my project, for our mobile app, we'll be have a homepage. It's create a carousel for top hiking. For yes, it's create a carousel, add navigation tools and different page like page number 1 and page number 7. It's create IMG with with help of ChatGPT or sorry, it's 24 sensors, so you can take something ChatGPT and just create your imagine. And after this, we come for one of the important part for UX too, but actually all part important. So it's wireframe and prototype. And here in a wireframe and prototype, we actually swap our paper wireframe to digital wireframe and prototype. So how wireframe look? This is part you need to use as something tools. Like I use a Figma for all my graphic design and etc, and I will be just actually do this in a Figma. I will be create digital wireframes, will be create my first graphic decision, and I just I will be add all my upgrade for project. About my wireframe, I upgrade my paper wireframe, what I have in a paper. I've swapped this is for a digital wireframe. I actually achieve my goals for a paper wireframe, and now I have a normal logical product, a logical app where people will be find achievements, where people will be find their profile, they will be sharing a post. And after this, when I create this as digital wireframe, I will be swapping for a prototyping. This is how you can look our prototyping. When user will be just click for a button, you need to understand this is feeling when it will be just animation, always will be just fast during, it's very important how you prototype your products. So just keep in your mind that's very important thing for UX too. Prototype for a good quality. After all of this, we come for a hi-fi. Hi-fi, or how we actually say, I just will write this. It's a mockup. So yeah, mockup. So what hi-fi meaning? Hi-fi is when you give your digital wireframe a style. You just give your app a color. How you can look? I add 3 important color. It was purple with mix and dark blue. I add for my prototype a little green. If people wanna just share in their post and look at something special, individual, they can choose another and different color. And after this, we will begin testing. Okay, what testing actually means is it's when you get feedback from your project. Like you create this app, you can publish this for again. You can publish for LinkedIn, for Behance, or for another site where you can show this for your family, for your friend, for a close friend, etc., for a colleague in work, or just for your people who it's normal, and you just start get feedback. Why it's so important? Because after you launch your product, you need to take a feedback for upgrading your mistake. Okay, like I just give you an example. I get my feedback from my girl, and she say, "Whoa, but you don't have in your app a button for like you're posting what you're sharing." I say, "Oh, what is the fail?" Yeah, like actually, this is simple but very important thing. And after this, I understand the back and I add this as like in tab liking button for my product. And graphic decision is very important because it's how you will be public your post, public your product. What does it mean? If you just will be launch your product, like just take a screenshot of something in your mockups or something hi-fi or digital wireframe, just put it for wireframe. It's okay. You take actually good, but very important thing it's how you public your product. I have a mountain product. Okay, I just give this for a mounted style. That's it. It's how graphic decision actually look for public, not for doing, because I'm not graphic designer. I don't really say this. Sorry, graphic designer, if you just find something mistake in my world, I'm sorry for this. I just say, for my experience. So actually, thanks for this, guys. Thanks for looking for my video. It's actually a portfolio for me. So yeah, thank you for liking. I'm sorry again for this. Just write in the comment how much us just sick in the summer. And at the end, why actually this has helped achieve my goals to be a pilot? Yeah, it's very important things too, because I chose my road for be a pilot in private school, and I understand that I need work and I need to pay just money for life, for food, etc. I need payment money for my study in a private academia. UX can give you opportunity for be a hybrid here. Guys, thanks for watching and keep straight for your goals and dream.